Siloed datasets with gaps invites errors, eroding analytics reliability for core business decisions and continuity threats without accountable data oversight. Security vulnerabilities proliferate as fragmented groups input ungoverned content into isolated reporting tools, absent centralized controls. Data management maturity lags, open doors for catastrophe. Our intensive course bridges gaps with intersecting data management, security, and warehousing protocols upholding analytics continuity. Attendees master end-to-end governance through unified policies, access controls, infrastructure planning, and disaster recovery, gaining capabilities honoring security mandates while fueling usage with flexibility. Graduates design frameworks optimizing value from data assets through accountable oversight. Equipped data management experts uphold business continuity through resilience-building infrastructure, systems integration, and disaster preparedness. Security teams gain partners upholding compliance through collaborative data protocols. Users access timely, accurate information guiding operations and planning. Register today and distinguish yourself with cross-functional data governance mastery, instrumental uplifting enterprise analytics investments to fully realize trusted intelligence, continuity, and performance unlocking.